Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, how we can making for videos? That is called voice over videos. Say I'm conducting one kind of educational website or any kind of websites. First of all, uh, voice over videos we can making is more important. First of all, that is the purpose we can prepare one content. We build your career in SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central timesheet online training with the embroidery trainings. Please contact embroiderytrainings.com or here. In this, we can prepare one content. What are the course you can promoting here? The first of all, that particular course you will be selected will be here. So I'm selecting in this particular option, which course I have to promote it here. Select the course and which country I will be more focus will be here. So many countries are here. Which country you will be focused more will be, we can use will be particular option. So right now, I will be promoting will be here is called. So in this particular content, we have to making will be text to voice converter. That is the purpose. We have to use option name is called ttsfree.com. This particular website, we can convert into the your text to voice. There is a multiple languages are here. I'm using for English, US or India, which is you will be comfortable. We can use will be here is option. But I'm using for Indian English or US English. So I'm selecting the particular person. Which person I have to select will be here. I'm selecting that person will be here. Simple. This content will be accepting up to 500 characters. Let's say I can use less than character only for this particular software. We can go for Mic Monster. This will be applicable by only for 300 characters. More than 200 characters will be need to increase. That one another option is called ttsfree.com. In the ttsfree.com, text to speech, AI voice, speech to text, and the pricing. If you can go for AI voice, here will be what are the voice we can require. Everything will be here. See this one. This all will be in your particular things. So this all will be AI voice. But we are right now convert to speech.com. After add your particular text, this means so I'm unable to do the video. I'm unable to create a voice text. So that is the purpose we can using this particular servers. Now I'm click for convert it. After conversion, the take time will be here is everything will be here is the option will be here is the particular thing. So there will be fraction of seconds. The file will be converted here. After this conversion, if we can using for GIF images, we can making the video will be here. What are the audio file we can download here? We can select from the in this upload here. So what are the course you will be promoting in this? Images, GIF images, everything you will be select will be here is the option. Copy this. Next will be what is the your course can promoting here. And any course you can promoting will be first of all when people will be search this course, a video, everything is possible are there, you can utilize them. Or else you can change the particular video. So it will just will be small. Add your effect. Yellow is the not one. Green. Invite and contact phone number. Add it. Here is that. Finally, click is any seconds are pending. Just look at this. Nothing will be problem. Final. Click this and download this particular video. After download this video, in this particular reel, you can selecting for Facebook option, Instagram option, and YouTube shorts. Anything will be possible. What are the making you will be done? The possibility it will be we can one short video, less than 60-second video, YouTube shorts, Instagram reel, and Facebook reel. We can individual will be uploading here, or else we have another option is called using for Facebook business shoot and upload the reel also will be applicable. So these are the pattern you have to follow it to making a video for Instagram reel, Facebook reel, and YouTube shorts purpose. So any particular options we can utilize to make the video with the voice oriented video. The Canva will be full supported. What are the GIF images you have? We can use the will be GIF images. We'll create the video and upload from the Facebook reel, Instagram reel, and YouTube shorts also. So voice conversion purpose, the software will be two selected will be here, ttsfree.com, micmaster.com. Only character will be difference. MicMaster supporting will be 300 characters. ttsfree.com will supporting will be 500 characters. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.